Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. That being said, let's get started.
Hey everyone, I have one question for you. If you ever tried to remove your background from your photo by Photoshop or any pixeler or any other photo editor, then you know that it is very tough and very time consuming. Here you can see I have removed the background from my photo and it is so perfectly done, and it took 10 seconds or 15 seconds to do. And if you want to know how, then please keep watching. Go to canva.com. This is the link, canva.com. Then click on create a design. So you can make custom design or anything you want. So I'll be choosing custom design. So put the pixel ratio and create new design. So this page will open up. So for removing the background of your picture, at first you have to upload the image. So here some of my images are uploaded already. So I am choosing this picture. So you can just make it bigger. Okay. Now click on effects and you can see remove background remover. So click on it. It will take some time because it will remove perfectly. So you can see it already removed so nicely, no harsh line, no anything. Now you can put any background you want. So that you can do on Canva also, or you can use Pixlr or Photoshop or anything. So it just take 10 or 20 seconds to remove the background. I can show you for other pictures also. Let's say this one. So this one is bit complicated. Let's see how it will work. So I really don't know how it will work for two people with for this wide angle shot. Wow, it is quite nice, I think. So let's try another one, maybe this one. Removing the background. If you don't have to do anything else on Canva, then just click on download and this one, transparent background. Then that background will be nothing and you can put anything on the background using Photoshop or other apps. Okay, now just click download. And you can see this. So you can see, so this is showing white background, but when you will put it on Photoshop or other platform, it will be completely background free image. So thank you for watching.